Dear dentist friends, good evening. I'm Amber, the speaker of the third product of tonight. And thanks to my colleague for giving a presentation of FIE. Now, I will introduce you to the details of the third new product. Time flies, and now Woodpecker ushered in the 33rd year of repeat development. During the 33 years, Woodpecker products have been sold to 140 countries and regions, and more than 198,000 scalers have been chosen by millions of dentists worldwide. In 1989, we started to search and develop scalers. In 1992, we sold the first scaler. In 2003, we exported the first ultrasonic scaler. In 2015, the ultrasonic periodontal treatment device PT3 was launched. In 2019, the dental scaler and air polisher PTA was launched. During the 2021 Sino Dental in Beijing, 2,611 units of PTA were sold in just 4 days. From experiencing to purchasing it, the dentists take only 3 minutes to make a decision. We sincerely thank all our doctor friends to your trust and support to Woodpecker. Focusing on the field of dental scaler for 33 years, we have been thinking about what a good scaler should be, how to improve the efficiency of tooth cleaning. Through market research and countless days and nights of team brainstorming, a unique dental scaler air polisher is in. Here is the third new product of tonight, Woodpecker Dental Polisher APA, Dental Scaler and Air Polisher APB. Now, we will bring you something different. We gave up the traditional coat color and adopted the design inspiration from Alice in Wonderland to make a collision between instruments and art, which will be a unique and beautiful scenery in your clinical. Let's see the screen. You can see it's cloud white and soft candy color that is amazing. But it is not only the color that shines, but also the performance. First of all, faster is the most outstanding feature of this device. By optimizing the piping structure and introducing a new aerodynamic design, we have successfully reduced the loss of the fluid pressure when the equipment is working, which effectively improve the efficiency of air polishing and achieve effective plaque and pigment removal. So, how fast can it be? We did a small experiment with APB and another brand of air polisher. Using the classic sodium bicarbonate powder, both machines are operating on maximum power, acting on the cans. Let's see what the results are. Here comes the result. APB excels on the efficiency of air polishing scaling. Now that APB boasts higher efficiency air polishing scaling, let's look how it performs on clinical practice. And don't forget, ultrasonic scaling is also our area of expertise. We have 2 versions of the new generation of dental scaler and air polisher, APA, which focuses on efficient air polishing, and APB, which is a 2-in-1 ultrasonic scaling function on top of high-efficiency air polishing to help you remove plaque, signet, and calculus effectively. APB also has automatically identification of scaling handpiece. to help you work efficiently. When you pick up the polishing handpiece, it will automatically enter the air polishing mode. And when you pick up the ultrasonic handpiece, it will automatically enter the ultrasonic scaling mode. Next, let's look at more details. We can see that the air polishing handpiece adopts a 3-section design with 2-in-1 function to supragingival and subgingival mode. The small caliber nozzle contributes to more concentrated air polishing and more accurate scaling. The handpiece can be detected, easy to negotiate and clean. In addition, the entire handpiece is very light, which gives you a more comfortable grip. The subgingival nozzle is made of medical polymer material, which can be rotated 360 degrees and bendable, with 3 directions for powder and 1 direction for water, to thoroughly remove plaque. Now, let's look at a picture. This picture shows a comparison of powder consumption between our APB and air polisher of another brand, under the middle power level, using the classic sodium bicarbonate powder. As can be seen in the graph, the APB has a more stable and long-lasting powder output. To the second half of the curve, you can see a downward trend in the powder output of another brand. And this new product incorporates ergonomic design. The fully transparent funnel-shaped powder tank ensures a more stable powder output and can be rotated 360 degrees, allowing real-time observation of powder flow in the tank. Last but not least, the whole machine is compact and lightweight. The main unit only weighs 2 kilograms. The bottom area is only 50% of that of similar products, which is a space-saving product.